Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3653. XOR after range multiplication queries 1. This is a medium one, but the solution is pretty straightforward, so next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given an integer array nums and a 2D integer array queries. So let's say that we're given this input. Every query has 4 values, left, right, k, and value. And for each query we have to apply the following operations in order. First we need to set an index which is initially equal to the left bound. And we need to say while this index is smaller or equal to right, we update the current number with the current number times the value that we're given modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. After doing this, we need to update the current index to the current position plus k. So this is the size of every step. Finally, we need to return the bitwise XOR of all the elements in nums after processing all queries. So if we're given this input, first we are looking at this query, and this goes from 1 to 4, so we are looking at this range. And we are moving in steps of 2. This means that we are looking at these 2 numbers. The value is 3, so we need to take 3 times 3, which is 9, and put that number in this position. Here we need to use 5 times 3, which is 15. Next we can continue with this query, which goes from 0 to 2. So we are looking at this range. And we are moving in steps of 1, so we are looking at every number in this range. And the value is 2, so we need to take 2 times 2, which is 4. 9 times 2, which is 18, 1 times 2, which is 2, and the rest stays as it is. So then we have 15 and 4. And we need to get the XOR value of all the elements after processing all queries. So we take 4 XOR 18, XOR 2, XOR 15, XOR 4. And the result of this happens to be 31. So for this input, we return this. My first intuition was to look at the constraints. Why? Well, because we can have up to 10 to the power of 3 queries. And for each of these, we have to iterate numbers in between left and right. So let's say that left is a very small number, something like 0, and right is a very large number. In this case, right has to be smaller than n, so let's say that right is roughly 10 to the power of 3. And let's say that k is a very small number. For example, 1. If we iterate everything in between 0 and 10 to the power of 3 in steps of 1, we are iterating 10 to the power of 3 numbers. So for every query, we are iterating 10 to the power of 3 numbers. This is a relatively small number which we can handle, so we can implement exactly this. Time complexity is roughly big O of the amount of queries times the amount of numbers in nums. And space complexity is big O of 1 because we are following this exact process. So with this in mind, let's see how to code this up. We have to iterate every query, so for left, right, k, and value in queries, we have an index every time which is equal to left, and we need to say while this index is smaller or equal to right, we are iterating every position in steps of k. So every time we say index plus equal k, and before doing this, we need to update nums at the current index. So this is equal to nums at the current index times the value that we are given, and we need to use modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. And after all of this, we need to get the bitwise XOR value of all the numbers, so result is 0. And for every number in nums, every time result bitwise XOR equal x. And now we can return result. So let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and the solution is quite straightforward. If you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.